let's start this video off with some grapefruit juice. Do you like my painting back there? I painted it myself. I'm an artiste. I filled this up way too high. So do you love Japan? Do you want to see all the awesome cities and eat all the amazing food and basically live out your dream? You may be ready to live it up, but there's one thing that's holding you back. You're broke. If so, this video is just for you. Because today we're going to be diving into some tips and tricks to help you travel to Japan without spending a lot of money. Whether you're a college student or just short on some cash, this video will give you a lot of clarity on how to travel smart. My name is Reanne, I live in Japan, and if you like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. Tip number 1, use travel websites to help you save money. When you go to book a flight for Japan, the cost might give you a mini heart attack. But you gotta realize that this is only really expensive because it's such a long flight, which equals to more money to be spent. However, you can lower the cost and get the very best deal if you use certain booking websites. Websites such as ebates.com and Skyscanner find the very best deal and make a percentage of your purchase back as well. How could you pass up free money? Tip number 2, use your credit card for rewards points. Whether you already started to gather some points or are looking for a way to collect some, your flight to Japan is the perfect opportunity to use that reward system. Simply check with your credit provider, find out the ins and outs of the process, and pick airlines that help double your savings. Rewards points and cashback can help put some extra cash in your pocket. Some cash to be used for late night ramen, maybe? Whatever you use it for, rewards points can help you as a student or somebody looking to make some extra money. Some cards even get you a free domestic flight, so that's definitely one to look into. Number 3, look for discounts. You won't have to act like a major detective, but searching for discount and deals is one of the best and easiest ways to travel to Japan, especially on a budget. Airbnb, Ebates, and a lot more offer tons of discounts for your first stay, your first ride, and your first purchase. Freebies are everywhere and out for the taking, so grab as many as you can when you're booking a flight, a hotel, a ride, or even food. Wherever you can trim down that price, go for it. Number 4, take advantage of the food. Japan has so much to offer when you get there, but one of the most delicious and cheapest parts of it is the food, especially the street food. Street food is authentic to the country, yummy, and best of all, cheap. Try to get as many meals as you can off of street food, if you can. You can find tempura, ramen, mochi, sushi, yakitori. Honestly, the list goes on and on. Of course, you're gonna want to try that high-end sushi, but the more you eat cheap, the more your pocket will thank you. I guarantee that budget sushi is just as good. Number 5, walk around. Life is full of amazing experiences, and traveling is definitely one of them. When you visit Japan, sometimes the best thing to do to experience the country is to walk around. You're in a brand new place with lively street culture and so much to see. Sometimes simply walking around the city you're in is the best way to experience it and take in the moment. Walking is free, and the subway in Japan is not too pricey either. Check out as many different things as you can for next to nothing in price. You can stay on a budget and live in the moment by doing this. Getting to walk and stroll throughout the city, especially at night, is something you can't pass up. You just have to do it if you travel to Japan. Best of all, walking is a really cheap activity. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found some helpful tips to travel to Japan when you're broke. Just because you're short on money doesn't mean you can't have a good time. Japan is an incredible once-in-a-lifetime experience. Don't act like your budget is your burden. Get out there and explore. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.